bafethu i-top teams zina-players ezikwi-ages zoma-33 34 ungayi-Real Madrid uRudiger na-33 34 u-Ilkay Gundogan bena-34 ke-Manchester City last season, uVirgil van Dijk ngongoku iLiverpool na-34, Mohamed Salah last season iLiverpool benangaphi 33 34, iChelsea igqobosane players yi-2 bafethu, Danny Welbeck 35, Econo Henderson 36, PSG Marquinhos na-34, Barcelona last season iwine i-league bekhobani uLewandowski 34 35. I-senior players yafuneka, especially i-player entswembu njengoloch bafethu, even apha eMzantsi ngwaki Sundowns oZwani 35, Grant Kekana 33, Aubrey Modiba 31, Tapelo Morena 33 34. Ojampileyo uLoch can still produce the magic at Kaizer Chiefs. So ke manje Machita ne-ladies, inkosi ngobuyela ki-channel. Igama lami ndinguseko, uFootball SA lona. Big story has come out bafethu, a massive one. Another opportunity for Kaizer Chiefs to sign a high-profile player bafethu. Thembi Nkosi Loch to Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Another opportunity, and it's not the first time bafethu ki transfer window. It's been happening for the past few seasons bafethu, where Kaizer Chiefs under pressure ki transfer window. Even opportunity you sign a top player. Will they sleep again when you take the opportunity? This story first came out a few days ago, and that's Iwoya. But then again, Izolo, I heard from a leading broadcaster in South Africa, Robert Marawa, talking about this. That is when I started to sit up and take this seriously bafethu. Robert Marawa live on air. Wabuza, a South African journalist, the journalist of the year, Thokozisi Dube, by say Kaizer Chiefs is the announcer uLoch now. And then Wati Umarawa, except uLoch was at the FNB Stadium last weekend for Chiefs and Sundowns. Mnabafethu kind of uLoch FNB. I was watching the game, but Umarawa confirmed on air. But uLoch was there. And then a journalist of the year bafethu uMthokozisi Dube wathi waphendula wathi ba except uLoch has been seen around the Nacho Arena over the past few days. Now that is serious stuff. So ngoku it seems like it can happen any moment bafethu, and at the time of recording the video there was no official announcement, but it can happen any moment. It can happen as soon as I finish this video. But Kaizer Chiefs have signed uLoch. Apha kule video I look at why Kaizer Chiefs should sign Loch. For Kaizer Chiefs, that would be a massive statement of intent. And uLoch bafethu is not a foreign player. uLoch would hit the ground running Kaizer Chiefs. No time needed to adapt to Kaizer Chiefs okanye Betway Premiership. And this is exactly what Kaizer Chiefs need right now. The Kaizer Chiefs are rebuilding. At the same time, they are expected to win immediately. uLoch can help the club to win immediately. Kaizer Chiefs have an eye on winning the CAF Confederation Cup, and a player like Loch can make that impact. You need players like him who can handle the pressure, understand the difficulty of winning those games. Kule season CAF Confederation Cup kukho big teams like Al Ahly plus Wydad Casablanca, Al Ahly Tripoli yase Libya sign big players left, right and center in this current transfer window Machita. So the competition is high. uLoch has seen it all bafethu. He has played in high pressure games, big games in North Africa, Morocco, Egypt. Wadlala for iBafana Bafana, AFCON, wadlala na Club World Cup for Wydad, best player pa against the top clubs, Juventus, Man City. There is also interesting attraction for uLoch Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, and that is what the jersey number, jersey number 10 bafethu available Kaizer Chiefs. After kumke Gaston Serino ayikathathwa la number 10 jersey. That is a massive opportunity for uLoch, for his brand. Jersey number 10 Kaizer Chiefs yagqibela kudala ubane top star. Nanku uLoch lonto izazone pressure, but uLoch akafiki ki pressure. I-pressure uyayiqhelileyo umjida. uLoch could be the Chiefs team bafethu could be built around uLoch as the attacking midfielder pakla team. I-options right now phana siyazi ba okay kukho bani okho Mduduzi Shabalala, kukho Ethan Chislet, bekhona Luke Bartman okwazi ukudlala as number 10. If you're gonna expect enye yezo players uShabalala okanye Chislet okanye uBartman axwaye to carry Kaizer Chiefs season enjena, it's a big ask. But uLoch, it won't be a big ask. Umdu could learn from uLoch as well as uBartman. It could help development yabo. At the same time, the presence kaLoch could lift the whole dressing room. And then about to speak about the age kaLoch, 33 in modern football, 33 is peak player bafethu. In modern football, 33 does not mean much. In fact, what it means is that a player can play for 3 more seasons bafethu. uLoch 3 seasons at Kaizer Chiefs, that is investment bafethu. ungajonga nase-Europe bafethu ii-top teams zina-players ezikwi-ages zoma-33 34 ungayike Real Madrid uRudiger na-33 34 uIlkay Gundogan bena-34 ke-Manchester City last season uVirgil van Dijk ngongoku iLiverpool na-34 uMohamed Salah last season iLiverpool benangaphi 33 34 iChelsea igqibosana nee-players iyi-2 bafethu Danny Welbeck 35 ikhona Henderson 36 PSG Marquinhos na-34 Barcelona last season iwine i-league bekhobani Lewandowski 34 35 i-senior players yafuneka especially i-player entswembu njengoloch bafethu even apha eMzantsi ungayike Sundowns oZwani 35 Grant Kekana 33 oBrimo Diba 31 Tapelo Morena 33 34 ojampileyo uLoch can still produce the magic at Kaizer Chiefs. So ke manje the question is Kaizer Chiefs, are they going to take the opportunity? Yona way engathi ngaba obstacle i-finance bafethu uLoch wamka ku-Sundowns wasayina permanently to iWydad Casablanca waya eLibya walandela ubani uRolani Mokwena umtshita wasayina i-2-year deal ne-Al Ahly Tripoli yaseLibya. I-deal yakhe iphela ngo-2027 so Kaizer Chiefs kafuneka ibhatale i-transfer fee. The question is, are they going to do it? Do they realize the opportunity? Okanye can they persuade uLoch plus the club to terminate the contract? Kaizer Chiefs are rebuild sure, but if they want to win and rebuild at the same time, a players for uLoch should come in. Orlando Pirates nayo iyawina with young players as well as senior players bafethu. Orlando Pirates siyabona bakhona phana uMakhawula una 35, uDion Hoto una 35 and Loch is only 33 machita. We can build a new squad with players but next bekhona senior players. Kube nazo i-players ezikwi-30s almost all over the pitch. I-defense Kaizer Chiefs ukhona uNiacho Miguel unangaphi 31 32 midfield ukhona Sibongiseni Mthetho 33 but then up front Pulemoto na 33 but akadlali. So therefore uLoch can lead the line phana bafethu as a senior player in his 30s up front. And also Umchita is a powerful one-man brand bafethu. Umchita just by joining Kaizer Chiefs it can lift media attention and the brand the Kaizer Chiefs. All the media attention can go to Loch and the Kaizer Chiefs. The merchandising improve bafethu. Abantu bangathenga izikipa even bathenga izikipa zika Loch number 10. That is more income for the club. Kaizer Chiefs is already a marketable club. Loch can take it to the next level. Imagine the confidence that uLoch is going to inspire players ezifana no Langelihle Phili, oVelebhayi, oVilakazi, oChabalala. He's going to lift the entire team by just the presence yakhe umchita. So what are Kaizer Chiefs waiting for? The opportunity is there bafethu. Are they going to go for the opportunity or they're going to sleep? Sizawubona bafethu. Thembinkosi Loch to Kaizer Chiefs. Nibona njani bafethu? How do you see it? Masingole comments bafethu. Ningalibali support channel bafethu. Go like no subscribe. Aware.